Hi students, a very pleasant and warm greetings to you all. Hope you are doing good. Last session we have seen about OpenOffice Writer, right? About the word processor and some settings and how to open a document, how to close a document, about saving and all. In this session we are going to learn about the formatting text and paragraph options, right? First, let's see the text formatting options. Okay, a text without any formatting means it won't look good, right? So here in this OpenOffice Writer, it gives a number of choices to format the text, right? Let's see the first formatting option, changing font style, size and color, right? For setting a font style for a font, for a word, we can just select the text. First you have to select the text, right? And then you can change the font type, font size, color or style, right? This is called text formatting. Okay, this is called text formatting. The basic formatting shortcuts are, if you want to make the text bold, you can use Control B, right? First you have to select the text and then you have to click Control B, or else B icon will be there in the top tools bar, right? That if you click that, the text will become bold. For italics, italics means light slanted text, right? The text will be slanted slightly, right? The shortcut for that italics is Control plus I. Okay, Control button and also I button you have to press at a time in the keyboard. That is for italics. For underline, Control plus U, right? In the top tools bar, if you see, there we'll have B, I, U, like that menus will be there. Some icons will be there. B is to make the text bold. I is to italicize the text. U is to underline the text, right? The default font type will be Times New Roman, okay? Like this Times New Roman, and a arrow mark will be there. If you click on that small arrow in the right side of that Times New Roman, a drop down list box will be displayed. From there you can select the font which you need, right? For default font size will be 12. If you want more, or if you want to make the text smaller, you can just click the arrow by the side and you can just change the font size also, right? And to change the font color, as a default one, the font color will be black, right? By clicking the A icon, we can change the color of the font, right? Near A also you will have a arrow symbol and the color will be shown below the A, right? From that arrow, when you click that arrow, a list of colors will be displayed. From there you can select the colors, right? And these are all the regular formatting options like bold, italics, underline and all. If you want a character dialog box, you have to go to format and click character. That means the character dialog box will appear. From there you can change the font style, font size and the bold, italics, and you can preview that also in the below. Here we have preview window, right? Welcome is there. Whatever text you have selected will be displayed here, and however you are changing the font style and font size and everything, that formatting options, with that formatting options, the text will be displayed in this preview screen, right? Whatever you need, you can just select and then you can click OK, right? Changing cases. Next one is changing cases, means you have uppercase, lowercase, and you have to change this uppercase letters to lowercase, or lowercase, that is small letters to capital letter, or capital letter to small letter, or else you want to make the first uh, letter of each word as capital, or you want to make the first letter of each sentence as capital, means for this also we have some options, right? You have to go to format, change case. In that you can select which option you need and you can just change it, right? Next one is highlighting text. Highlighting means if you are writing a paragraph and you want to show a specific text or a specific point to the audience, whoever is seeing that, means you can just highlight that, right? For that you have an icon. It will be written as AB or ABC and with a pencil symbol. If you are selecting the text and if you are clicking on that, colors will appear. If you need, you can take a color. You can just pick a color from there and the text background will be in that color. Or if you no need, or if you want to remove the highlighted one, you can just again you can select the text and you can go there to that highlighting icons and you can just select no fill. Okay. Next one is clearing the formatting. That means you have to select the full document. Entire document, how will you select? Either you can drag with the mouse button or else you can just click Control plus A. That means the entire document will be selected, or else you can go to edit and select all option will be there. You can use that also. And for clearing all the applied formats means you have to click Control and M. Okay, next we are going to see about paragraph formatting. Okay, paragraph alignment means we can decide from where the paragraph must start and where it should end, right? If you are starting to type something, when you click enter key, the text which you are typing will go to the next line or the cursor will move to the next line, and after that whatever you are typing it will be uh, displayed in a new line, right? Likewise this paragraph also can be aligned. Okay, this paragraph alignment means this will help you to make the paragraph look good. Okay, here we have four types of alignments in this OpenOffice Writer. Okay, left alignment, right alignment, center alignment, justify. Left alignment means the paragraph will be aligned along to the left margin, right? Default, as a default one, this alignment only will be set there. Okay, if you want to change it, you have to just select the paragraph and you can go to uh, format paragraph and you can select left means left, right means right, center means center, justified means justified. Right means the whole paragraph or the whole text will be aligned to right side of the margin, right margin, right? And center means all the lines in the paragraph will be aligned to the center of the page, right? Justified means all the lines in the paragraph will be arranged evenly. That means right end and left end will be straight, right? Will be aligned like a square box, right? Right side and left side. If you see, it will be in a straight line. That means additional spaces will be added or some spaces will be removed from inside that points and all, and the corners will be set as a square, right? So that is justified alignment. For projects, for reports and all, we'll be using this justified alignments only. Okay, to get this paragraph formatting options, you have to go to format and click paragraph, and then this paragraph dialog box will be appear, and from here you can select left, right or center or justify, whichever you need. You can just select that and click on OK, right? This is about paragraph formatting, right? Now you know how to align a paragraph. This alignment will be present in the toolbar also, right? We have seen about formatting toolbar, right? In that formatting toolbar, we have this alignment symbols. The icon for alignment symbols are given here. Left alignment icon, right alignment icon, justified icon, and center alignment icon, right? These are the icons for the alignment, and the shortcut key means left for left, control L, right? Right means control R, center control E, justified control J, right? So these are the shortcuts and icons for this alignment, and in the formatting toolbar also this icons will be present, right? Next we are going to see about line spacing. Okay, line spacing means we can set the space between the lines also, right? The vertical space between the lines of a text in a paragraph can be set using this line spacing options, right? The lines are single spaced. As a default one, the lines will be single spaced. Okay, if you want, you can just enlarge that, or you can decrease the space also. In this open office settings, line space is quite easy. In the menu side, you can just right click and right click on the mouse, and you can just select line spacing also, or else you can select, if you want to change the line spacing for the entire document, you can just select all. How will you select all? You can go to edit and select all, or you can just click on Control and A, and then you can go to format paragraph, and inside that format paragraph formatting option, you will have indents and spacing tab. In that indents and spacing tab, below the indent spacing, below that you will have line spacing option. From there you can select, as a default one, single will be selected. If you click on the arrow near that, below that a drop down list will be displayed. 1.5 lines, double, at least, leading, like that some options will be displayed. From there you can change one by one, and you can select which you need, right? Next one is about indenting text. Indent is a distance from the left and right margin of a paragraph, right? This is used to improve the readability of the paragraph, or to make it look good. We can use this indenting text, right? In a paragraph, an easy way to apply indent is, uh, for the first line of the text, you can create by moving the insertion pointer to the beginning of the line by pressing the tab, right? On the keyboard you have tab key. You can just click on that, and you can move the cursor or the insertion pointer to the beginning of the line, right? We have four indentations. Okay, in this indent also we have four: left, right, first line, hanging. Likewise, we have left indent, right? Left indent means this controls the space between the paragraph and the left margin, right? This is the default indent. Each click on the increase indent icon, in increase indent icon will be there in that particular dialog box. Okay, in this dialog box, um, increase indent icon will be there. You can just move the paragraph half inch away from the left margin. Okay, this left indent you can select by, how will you get the dialog box? We have seen that already. You have to select that first, and then you have to go to format, then select paragraph. Inside that dialog box, you have to select indent and text, right? From there, a spin box will be there. You can see in this diagram. From there, you can just select before text, or whatever you want, you can just select that, right? Same way, if you want right indent means, you can just click the decrease indent icon, or else you can select after text. Okay, for left you selected before text. In that indent you have before text and after text, right? Before text for left indent, after text for right indent, right? Then for first line indent, you can have the indent and spacing tab will be there, right? Indent and spacing, that is the tab which is opened here. Here you have first line option, right? Here first line, like that one option is there. You can just click that first. If select that first line option means enter a positive value. You have to enter a value there. It means a number there. According to that number, the line spacing will be there. Likewise, you can just change this indent. And next one is hanging indent. Hanging indent means this is a special kind of indent where this first line of the paragraph alone hangs outside, leaving the text, leaving the rest of the text, right? So here what you have to do means, here you can, here first line is there. Now you have to give a negative value. That means -1 or -2. Likewise, you have to give the negative value for this first line option, right, in this dialog box. Next, we are going to see applying bullets and numbering, right? Bullets and numbering means this is used to show a list, or you can just number something. When you are writing, sometimes you may put pointed points and write the number text, right? Or sometimes you will be putting numbers and write. Likewise, here bullets and numbering are used to show the list of contents, right? List of something, or you can say some classifications means you will put bullets or numbering, right? Bullets means this is bullets. Can you see here? Selection inside this, everything are bullets only. You can select any one, right? Bullets means this is a paragraph level attribute that applies a bullet character to start of a paragraph, or it may be a sentence also. You can just give each point with each bullet, right? You will have a bullet icon in the top of the in that toolbar itself. You can just select that, and which line the cursor is there, in that line itself a bullet will be displayed. And when you keep at the end of the line, and if you give enter, it will just give you the next bullet also, right? Same way number also. Number means this is suitable when the text has to be represented as a sequence. If it is a question paper, if you are typing a question paper, you have to give 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that, right? So if you just click this numbering, you can just, when you are giving enter or when you are going to a new line, it will automatically give you 1. If you have typed, it will automatically give you the number 2 and number 3. Automatically it will come, right? If you no need that, you can just delete or give backspace there and you can delete it, right? This is the numbering icon also given. You can just check it in page number 82 in your book, right? In this bullets and numbering also, some styles will be there. To select that style, you can go to format. First you have to select the text which has to be bulleted or applied numbers, right? And then you can go to format, bullets and numbering, right? If you want to see the styles of bullet, you have to select the bullets tab. And here many types of bullets are there, right? You can just select anyone and give OK, right? When you are selecting numbering tab, say many types of numbers and ABC or the Roman numbers and all will be displayed. Whatever you need, you can just select and click on OK, right? To turn off the bullets, you can just click that bullet icon again, or that number means number icon again. If you are clicking that again, that bulleting or numbers will be disappearing. Understood? Next, it's about page formatting. Okay, page formatting is very important to give a good look, right? In page formatting only, we'll have margins, numbering a page. In your book, you have numbers, page numbers in each page, right? That page layout and headers and footers. In some books and all, if you see, all the pages, in all the pages, top or bottom, they'll have their logo, right? For that options and all, this page formatting will be used, right? How to set a page size, page margin, we'll see it here now, right? To set a page size, as a default one, we'll have in this OpenOffice Writer, it will be 8.5 into 11 inches, right? The same as the standard A4 printing paper type only, this OpenOffice Writer will have the Word document, right? To change that, you can just select the page which has to be resized, and you have to go to Format and then select Page, okay? From that, the page tab will be there. You can just go to that page tab and select that paper format group, right? And there we have A4 legal. Likewise, some paper formats are there. Whatever you need, you can just select, or you can just give the width and height options there, and that as that width and size, the page size will be set, right? Next one is page margins. Page margins also will be there here itself. Here, if you see the top, bottom, uh, right, left are there, right? In the below section, margin section, we have left, right, top, bottom. Here, whatever number you are giving, that value will be set as the uh, specified, or that value will be the uh, fixed value for the margins, right? We can just set this set or change this page margin in two ways, right? You can use rulers also. Using the rulers means you can ruler will be there, right, in the left side and the uh, top side of the page. If it is not there, you can just go to view and click on that ruler checkbox, and the ruler will be displayed. Or you can just using the page style dialog box also, you can set the margins. Okay, using the ruler means the shaded region of the rulers are the margin, right? You can just hold the mouse pointer over the line between the gray and white section. Gray section and white section will be there, right? You can just click and drag the mouse pointer towards up or down, means you can just see the difference in the page margin, right? In the mouse pointer turns into a double-headed arrow. At that time, if you click and drag it, you can move that margin, right? And using the page style dialog box means you have to right click anywhere on the page, and you can select page from the pop-up menu, and page tab of page style dialog box will be shown. Right here we have seen that page style default, this page only, that one. You can select the specified margin setups using this dialog box also, right? Next one is orientation. Orientation means, you can see that difference in your book in page number 84, right? Or if you are having a portrait image, if you are having a mobile, if you are catching the mobile straight, it will be displayed as a portrait image, right? If you are taking an image, when you are catching the mobile as if you are answering a call, and if you are taking a picture, the image will be in portrait format, right? When you are seeing a video, you will just turn the mobile, and you will make it to the width of the document will be more than the height of the uh, that particular image or the document. That means it is landscape, right? Now this video is in landscape mode. If you are just keeping the mobile in a manner as if the width is more than the height, means that is landscape. Okay, if you are clear with that, it's okay. If you are not clear, if you didn't get the clear idea about that landscape and portrait, means just refer page number 84 in your book, right? The width of the document will be more than the height, means it is landscape. This is used for photos, professional photos, invitations, albums, tables, and all. This landscape mode orientation will be selected. And if it is for a newspaper or book, means the height will be more than that of the width. So this is portrait. Okay, to change the orientation, you have to go to page style dialog box. In that orientation, like that, one option will be there. From that orientation group, you can select either portrait or landscape, and then click on OK, right? And the next one is page color and border. To change the page color and border, you can just go to page style dialog box and click the background tab, right? And then in as option, color will be there. You can just select the color whichever you need, and you can just click on OK, right? Or else you can just click that graphics which has to be applied as a background of that page, and you can just click on OK, right? From the page style dialog box, so if you need borders also, you can go to borders tab, and the user defined area helps to define the area of borders also there, right? And the next one is about header and footer, right? Header means the portion which is above the top margin, right? Footer means the section of the document which appears in the bottom margin of the page, right? This only displays the page number, date, time, and all, right? So to insert something in the header and footer section means you have to go to insert, then header, right? Insert header, and it will be set as default. The header text area is separated from the normal text area. Whatever you are typing there, how you can go to, if you need in the header area, means you can enter the text in that area and it will be repeated in all the pages, right? Or you can just select insert fields and then you can give the title also. Similarly for footer also you can just go to insert and then footer and then the default one, right? So this insertion pointer will be there in the footer section of the page. From there you can go to insert fields, and if you want to insert date means date you can insert, whatever you page number means you can insert the page number also. For page number you can just go to insert fields and then you can select the page number from there, right? So the default page numbers will be set to all the pages, right? If you're having 10 page document means if you can just select the footer in one page and you can just go to insert fields and you can give a page number means in all the pages automatically the page numbers will be started to appearing as 1 2 3 4 5 6 like that. You can change the style of that page number also in right side of that format, that page number option you will have a arrow there. In that also you can select what type of page number. It may be a Roman number or it may be a small 1 2 3 or however you need, you can select from that also, right? To position the insertion pointer where the page number has to appear means you can just go to format and then page, which will be displayed in a page style dialog box will be displayed here. In this page tab, that layout settings will be there. From that you can select from the drop down box, right? You can select the desired style and where you need that one you can just point the insertion, that cursor will be there, right? If you point the cursor in the center, it will be the page number will be set at the center of the footer in all the pages. If you set it at the right end or left end means you can just type the page number, or you can see the page number in every pages in that same position, right? And that's all we have seen about the formatting and this text and paragraph options. Here they have given a workshop here in page number 87. If you have laptop or computer in your home, last session itself I have said you how to download the OpenOffice Writer for free, right? This is the open source software and you can download this OpenOffice Writer for free and you can use this, right? If you are having a laptop or computer, you just try this out. In page number 87, they have given some task for you, right? You just try this out. Or if you don't have a laptop or computer also, no problem. You just read this lesson carefully and take notes in your note, right? Next session we'll see about find and replace and the spell check options in this OpenOffice Writer, right? Thank you for your valuable time. Stay home, stay safe, take care, bye.